Ayoko na. Zero, no, money, not no.
Guys, you want a fighter jet? Leonard, you're the last one. I know you love
Relax na dakit na. Relax na dakit na.
No, we left the highway. Did that? Stop dodging SpongeBob. Get SpongeBob on the I'm sorry, and SpongeBob has taken.
Bibiyang ako na.
Huwag mong dadalhin yan.
Hindi ako bibibi. Oh, hindi na ako, miss.
Uwi ka na, baka maihi ka pa dyan sa upuan. Post mo muna yan.
No.
Sige na.
Ayan, look ako.
Ay nako, magalit si Joaquin pag umihi ka dyan.
Sana ayop sa akin. Kawawa naman ako. Dito na.
Ihi ka na.
No.
I don't know how the Barbie lore works.
Paano ayan?
Dreamland.
Money?
Kailangan mo kumunta saan.
And I spent over 500 robots decorating my pink avatar.
Ayaw, mabili ka na. Twist.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Barbie's Dreamland.
Sige, ganda.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Oy,
Ay,
baka mo ako papapangit na.
Happy to have you guys.
Tingnan ko lang yung fingerprint ko na rin.
We are house and body. Let's have a party tonight to introduce ourselves.
Hindi ako.
Oh, I love that. That'd so nice.
Ano, ayaw mo ako.
I'm
Please.
so glad you guys could
Ayaw mo ako. Sige. Oh, no. Thank you.
mo?
ano, pati pala tayo.
Oy, ayaw mo ako.
Ha?
Ayaw mo ako, bata. Oy! Ayaw mo ako. Sige na. Ayaw niyo ako. Ang dami naman. Thank you.
Sige ako nga, lagi nga ang kukopya si yung fabulous. Ah, so fabulous. Sige ako nga.
Barbie, we actually got dressed. First up is Lunar. Yes, it is I am Mermaid Barbie. Call me Barbie. My name is not Lunar. Mermaid guys are back into the ocean. Okay, first start. Hey everyone, I'm Platinum Barbie. I'm the most Eva Barbie of all. Eva Platinum Barbie. Oh, my God. Very Barbie. I'm a limited edition. I am. Okay, and I'm Barbie. Okay, find my dog like that. That was a thread song. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm scared.
There's your eye. Eye. Yes, there's your eye. Eye. Yes, your eye. Eye. Yeah. There's your eye. Yeah. Yeah. There's your eye. Yeah. Yeah.
Sino yung kalaro mo? Baka inaaway ka, sinasabihan kang pangit.
Hindi eh.
Ano ba sinasabi sa'yo? Ganda ka daw?
Ay, ay.
Siguro may boyfriend ka dyan sa kalaro mo, no?
Oo nga.
Boyfriend mo yun, no?
Hindi.
Eh,
Trust me.
Mambomfriend ka, no?
Babay daw ako mang girlfriend.
Okay lang, kasi wala naman na si mama mo dito.
Thank you. Ano? Nauuyok na ako.
What should we do next, guys?
Baka hindi kayo help ng boyfriend mo. Ay, ng crush mo. Pero pwede ka mag-crush. Na? Si kuya pwede mag-crush.
Uy. Thank you, Papa.
Ah, malit ng tape. From maliit to this big. No, masisira yung tape. Tapos na, dito na ako. Kuya, saan ka na? Ano ka ulit? Na? Anong gawa mo? Kailangan para maayos yung tape. Tapos to kuya, igawin na. Ikaw na. Hindi. Na? Ikaw na. Hindi man ikaw, hindi ka. Hindi mo gawa na.
Paano ka?
Ganda na yung ako. Titik. Huh?
Ba't daw ang pangit mo daw?
Jump and jump and jump.
Hindi mo yata love yung anak ko. Na? Hindi mo, inaaway mo laging anak ko, no? Na? Ay? Hindi na yata tayo bati.
Pati.
Dragon yun.
Nye. Ay,
Ano sabi mo? Nye-nye?
I'm green.
Lalagay ko sa message ko na to.
Red.
Sabihin ko.
Oh, thank you.
Kaya ginawa namin ni Kinder ko dahil nire-resemble ka
Yes,
nito.
your eye.
Huwag mo sabi niyo baka magalit pa yun. Ano kayo? Budadiya? Huwag mo sabi niyo magalit.
I think it's weird, Barbie.
Kaya mo na may chick lang ako. Kanta
May
ka.
good ba ako?
Very good ka. Kanta ka muna.
Grip ko yung cellphone mo.
Very good. Kanta ka muna. Gusto ko habang naglalaro ka, nagkakanta ka na.
She wants weird placement.
Use your eye. Use your eye.
Anong kanta yan? Gusto ko peperam kita habang naglalaro ka, kumakanta, okay?
Use your eye. Use your eye. Use your eye. Use your eye.
Wala ba yung tape na ginagamit nila sa
Panood na yung ako.
Ito yun.
They're trying to make a movie out of this.
Ba't yung may toys doctor?
Kanta ka muna. Soda pop. Ay, hindi kita pa pera. Sige na. Soda pop. Ay, hindi kita pa pera na.
Gusto ko doctor toys.
Kaya nga, ikaw kanta ka muna, soda pop.
You find out weird, Barbie. Staying in Dreamland's really fun though, guys. I wanna go. I'll stay in Dreamland. Real world's boring. It's nothing in Dreamland. I wanna go to the real world. Dreamland. You too far. That's not how this works. You have to want to know. Okay, that's fine. We can go. Yeah. That has to be a movie. Circle to it. And check. I'll send you guys out first.
Ninang.
Lie to us. You might just stay in Bobby. What's weird, Barbie? Your best to blend in. Oh. Okay. Hi, Barbie. What's weird, Barbie? No promises. Does it look like both are blended? Her outfit
Okay.
is really most noble. And that's when Barbie off to the real world. Everything's fun, and now we got sushi and Rego. This is so not bad. Look around for someone that might be able to help us.
So you tape.
Yeah. Hello, Bobo Joe. Oh, I don't need to speak that. I found someone. How can I help
Sabi mo, bye guys.
Bye-bye, guys.